what's up, motherfucker? I'm right here. We're gonna play some music now. Cause I got a brand new music coming out soon named Bad Boys. Not bad boy. What they gonna do? That song is some kind of bullshit song. That song make they kill a lot of Afro-America in America. That's why they banned that fucking song. Oh, bad boy, what they gonna do? What they gonna do when they come for you? In a circle are from uptown. Like Richie Stephens. Well, he charged a rape, you know. And I believe that girl from Singapore. Cause she's from Singapore. If she was from China, they wouldn't do it to her, you know. They wouldn't do that fuck to her. Because from Singapore, a poor girl from Singapore, you see, I'm a singer, she's poor. Singapore. Not everybody. Nobody is rich. I say he's a rich man in rich man, Virginia. Yes, bitch. Nobody talks about mouse man do, you know. No, cat man do. Huh? Okay. Well, the guy was saying a weird long leg. He long leg. Tall leg. Tall leg to Beyonce. You saw a fish, huh? Oh, yeah, motherfucker. I am not an animal. Yeah, Quasimodo, bitch. Once back of Notre Dame, beauty of the fucking beast. Now, I'm over there with VP Records. The biggest shit. Tough Gang and big like VP Records. Because it's not Tough Gang anymore. Man, I feel like a fucking reporter. Yeah, I'm not just an entertainer, singer. I'm a reporter. I'm a journalist. I'm an activist. An anthropologist. An Egyptologist. A Jamaicanologist. Motherfucker. Some of you motherfuckers want to come in the reggae music, okay? And you block me. I say, fuck you. You go block your mother, big pussy hole. Motherfucker. You think you can come in this reggae music here? I can take it over. Because see me doing no reggae, you know. You think you can come in this motherfucker. I can take it over. And somebody come in Jamaica with a false dreadlocks. And to Rastafari. Because they get to us quick, you know. Yeah, man, in Jamaica, they smoke weed. Just say Rastafari and you're real. Some little motherfucker think you look like Bob Marley. Because you're fucking white, you have a long dreadlocks there. Walking around. I say, fuck some of you. Or some moles, some spies. And you want to start from the fucking top. You can small little fucking reggae label and come in Jamaica and walk, fuck around. Next thing you know, you start fuck some Jamaican girl and get her pregnant. And you can't stay there. That's how it is. Just like in Europe too. The nigga from everywhere come over. See white woman want white pussy, fuck white pussy, get white pussy pregnant. Married to white pussy, they get a fucking European visa. Next thing you know, you're back in Africa, back in the Caribbean, fucking black pussy. It's 4 or 5 black pussy, because them black pussy down there, they broke. So you want to be the get a millionaire, to wash your car with champagne and blood clot beer. I don't care. I swear. Motherfucker. You don't have to be a billionaire. Siggy live a belly, and him no care. In the belly of the dragon, the eagle and the bear. Melody. And now no blood clot. Come this motherfucker wouldn't want to come run the reggae business. You be fucking 40 came in. You be 40 came in with no. I'll come take it. Fucking white boys are living on the welfare. Not free. Welfare. Not for your bomb buckler in Jamaica. Free well. Till I see blood clot you again. You know, they can't keep but a regular. They watch him, you know. And some of these wealthy motherfuckers, they come to Jamaica, you know. They father own all kind of shit. They got properties, they got places in Jamaica that Jamaican niggas are not allowed to live there. Ain't that right? Lennox Lewis, world champion, fuck up Mike Tyson. You gotta bargain and get his lawyers, I gotta live there too. It's in Jamaica too? What the fuck is this? Yeah. Face car Roundhill. You know that? Yeah, them fucking folks there, nobody else. Well, this, she's man, come on over. That's Caroline St. George. Good white woman. My age, but you know, her grandfather is the owner for the William Hill. Yeah, the William Hill. Bookmaker. Say, come on in, mouse. Roundhill. You can use a fucking golf cart to ride around that shit. Yep. Big time property, and I'm right there. One bottle of Heineken, $10 US. And they treat the black people them excellent. That's where I saw the Jamaican Prime Minister. And she invited the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness. Well, I'm a PNP. He's a neighbor, right, but the Prime Minister, I gotta respect him. I look all these fucking bitches dissing the Prime Minister and this and that kind of shit. We don't do that shit. So back in the fucking days, you couldn't diss the Prime Minister in Jamaica, Michael Manley. Soon we were shooting your blood clot. I couldn't diss Siago. And Jim Brown shooting your fuck. Because Keith Gardner, aka Trinity, was the bodyguard for the Siago. Badass police. Fuck. You know that? Okay. Get back. Caroline St. George, come on, mouse. I got a birthday party. Everybody's there. Ed Bartlett is there. As the Minister of Tourism. He said, what he come out? And the Prime Minister said, what he come out? I said, yeah, friend. So we Jamaican, just like how George, like how Donald Trump and Joe Biden are friends. You know what? The fucking Jamaican run up and down talking about shit on the fucking Queen Eye Freaker. Talking shit about the Prime Minister. I want to put on the fucking mouth and talk. Respect the Prime Minister, whether PNP or JLP. Motherfucker, represent, bitch, it's politics. Everybody got a vote. I got interest in either our country. Okay. Check out this song here. It's coming out soon. Bad boys, you know what to do. Okay? Counteract that motherfucker, but bad boy, what they gonna do? What they gonna do when they come for you? Police not giving no bail. Suck your mother. Where? In a pussy circle. They make a lot of money, you know. They make a lot of money with that fucking song. And la 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 la, we know what's the song? Tim Baggio, the Nigerian from Nigeria, who took this motherfucker and said, okay, sign them. They never give Tim Baggio a fucking dollar. Tim Baggio have to get the fucking master tape fuck in a circle. Because Tim, over here from Nigeria, but he intellectual, we're gonna watch the Nigerian because they love money. Tim is laughing. See that's long legs right there. Oh, they see no long legs. They miss long legs, you know. Oh, they're a star long legs. They miss long legs. Shit. Long legs, they love her. Man wanna know who the long legs. Yeah, I want a long leg. Give me a long leg. I want a long leg. I want a fucking nigga got about 5 wives, you know. And you want a white man. See the fucking niggas in Africa? My brother, he come out. I have 5 wives. I have 5 wives. I want a white wife. I want a white wife in Europe. I can marry her, give her a baby, and get my passport. And get my visa. And niggas stay the fuck over there. buy his pussy. Yeah. The white man powerful, you know. He make sure that his people them take care of. Because if you marry to a Jamaican woman from Jamaica, he ain't going nowhere. You're going to stay the fuck down there, both of you suffer. You know that? When you divorce, you know all the money, because both of you broke. All the money, nobody got the money, all the money gone. So you're going to marry. The black girl that married to the white man over here and da. You see the pretty black girl walking with the white man. Niggas don't hate that. She don't have a fucking time, man. This racist shit gotta go away, okay? Pussy, cocky, pussy, cocky, pussy. If you want to mix up the race, mix up the race. White fuck black, black fuck Mexican fuck Japanese, Chinese fuck Vietnamese, there was a fucking. They ain't alright. Check out this new song here.
It's a new tune, this
Bad boy, you know what to do. When you come
in a boss set, that tune in a boss set. A VP them a boss this.
Bad boy, you know what to do. When they come for you, bad boy, you know what to do.
Listen, my son.
It's a new tune, this in a boss set, that tune in a boss set.
No, boss.
A VP them a boss this.
You hear that? My son. Saying, you don't call me daddy, you call Ika. Son, listen up. Yeah, we make a gun boss this. It's true here. You see it? We're gonna test the song. Cause these motherfuckers think, oh, he come out done, he don't know shit. Mom, let me tell you some motherfucker. Ask Dunagan, who teach him the art of fucking lyrics. And somebody go fuck over there. Thinking they can't come in the fucking reggae and sweep me the fuck aside. Huh? Come this motherfucker here and things because they are know, you know. Gentlemen make a lot of money out of reggae and go to Germany. About 87 million euro. Where is he gone? Gone. Here today, gone next day. I'm still here. Yep. All this fucking white boy come reggae and cream it. I don't hate them, I hate the attitude because I need some money too. And they want to say, come here, come out and tour, come. Motherfucker named Snow. We love him. Informer, you know, say that's it, that's the blame. And they boom, but they treat Snow like a nigger. They don't want to let Snow in America. They didn't charge him murder, accuse him. He was before Eminem and before Vanilla Ice. No, but he's from Canada. He don't rip up his shit. But Snow, we love Snow. I met him in Canada at a concert. He was doing the sound system thing. He must say, yeah, he come home, we love you. He starts all like Jamaican because these white boys go around Jamaican, you know. Yeah, he come out, my walk on my brethren. You love a tune, he come out. Boy, I mean them Snow, you know. I mean about the sound system, you know. I tell you, you know. Yeah. Just send me a picture of all this now. Jack, you are facing suspicious murder charge. They up it now. Okay. Alright. So anybody call them, my friend, watch them, cause spy them. Just a body. Sometimes on the phone here, I do this. They say, oh, Global, really? Okay. See it again, Jacques here. Suspicion of murder charge. You there? Well, my friend, so you go. Alright then. This song is for you, Jack here.
Bad boy, you know what to do. When they come for you, bad boy, you know what to
Diabetic.
Read the line, don't cross the police line.
Blood sugar.
Sign of the time to commit another crime.
If you got diabetes, beat it.
Signs of the time to commit another crime.
Yeah, we're promoting all the people who are diabetic out there. This is Eka Mouse and Jollywood alongside Long Legs in this engineer room. Long Legs, the producer. Check your blood sugar and tell me what your blood sugar is, because I just take my metformin. I don't take insulin. Yeah, the blood sugar coming down. Cause over here Sweden got some of the best doctors in the world. You know that? So we're talking about the voodoo shit. Can you imagine that shit? Voodoo, you know. Bitch took my shoes to the voodoo man. Took my hat to the voodoo man. Took my clothes to the voodoo man, over man in Jamaica. Can't work. Can't work. Fuck him. Voodoo and Obel can't cross the Baltic Sea. Too far. You know that? Oh no, not good. By the time the voodoo, we not good. Long live Sweden, motherfucker. One for you now, Jack. Yo!
It's a new tune, this Eka. In a boss set, that tune, in a boss set. A VP, them a boss this.
Yeah, why so?
Boys, you know what to do.
Oh, yeah!
When they come for you, bad boys, you know what to do.
What you gonna do?
When them come
Jackie
for
Orr.
you, on the gun line, on the front line.
Big up Jackie Orr.
Read the sign, don't cross police line. On the gun line, on the front line.
Big up Jackie Orr on the gun line, the front line.
Read the line, don't cross the police line.
Read the sign, don't cross the police line.
Sign of the time, commit another crime.
Sign of the time, commit another crime.
Signs of the time, commit another crime.
Signs of the time, commit another crime.
Bad boys, you know what to do.
Oh yeah.
When they come for
Oh, yeah.
you, bad boys, you know what to
What you gonna do, bitch?
When them come for you, walk the walk, talk the talk, talk the talk. We a real road boy, bad boy boss, bad boy walk. Your body circle
In a white chalk.
Chronics, you a fool.
Chronics, you a fool.
Me nah sell me gun and go buy no food. 22 gun salute.
Chronics, you a fool. Me nah sell me gun and go buy no food. 22 gun salute. Ready for shoot. Jack Cure! We're gonna play some more for Jack Cure because Jack Cure is now charged for charged for what again, Mouse? Charged for what again, Mouse? You know that motherfucker? Jack Cure facing suspicion of attempt murder charge. Well, the motherfucker, Pappa, tell you something. You know you fuck with Jack Cure. And you're a rude boy from Painland. I'm saying I go to Painland all the fucking time. You see me? With a rude boy from Painland. Big up Skimites. Skinites and Finites from Painland. Because Pappa a little boy when the man there run things. Because when Skimite get wanted, Jamaican them are both wanted. The man there run to my house. Nothing. I'm gonna call him, you know. When you come out, say, boy, give me your shoes, I'm out. Because when me come from foreign, you know, everybody at my house. When I come from foreign, everybody at my house. Skimites wear size 13. I'm gonna give my size 15. And some money I'm cool. I said, boy, I'm out. I was about to rob some people, and I said, no, here's 200 US. I save lives. Yes, bitch. So, Pappa, cool it off. This one for Pappa, promoter. Well, you fucking Jack Cure and Jack Cure almost never did nothing. Ow! Pappa, you can't go fucking say something, you know. It's in for, you know, so that. Come on, Pappa. The fuck you talking about, motherfucker? You're alive. What you want to do now? Huh? You want to do a look of fucking bitch? Huh? Ain't no extortion. But you want to be a promoter? Don't fuck it, Jack here. I know that you want work in e-commerce too. Where the career finish? If you send Jack here to prison, your career finish. I ain't no matter. How can I work for you? Because we know that already. Papa, you're a gunslinger. Every fucking Jamaican promoter has a fucking gun. I know a gunman. And when the Jamaican promoter them come to your fucking show, what mouth me have it, you know? Ain't that right, Papa? Motherfucker. And buy you 2 bottles of fucking Dom Perignon champagne blacks, and do a show for you. And you get no fucking pay. I start to blame Ron Raymar. This one is for the man called Jacquier.
You know what to do.
Jacquier.
When they come for you, bad boy, you know what to do.
Featuring Lisa Longlegs.
When them come for you, on the gun line, on the front line.
Gun line, front line, pussy.
Read the sign, don't cross police line.
Read the sign, don't cross police line, bitch.
On the gun line, on the front line. Read the line, don't cross the police line.
Read the line, don't cross the police line, bitch.
Sign of the time, commit another crime.
Sign of the time, commit another crime.
Signs of the time.
Oh shit.
It's a new tune, this you can't. In a boss set, that tune, in a boss set.
In a boss set.
VP, them are boss this.
VP bossing this one soon, coming out soon. The producer name, DFG from Harlem. DFG, the acronym. DFG, the fucking genius. Long time ago. This one now is for Jacquier, free Jacquier.
You know what to do. When they come for you, bad boy, you know what to do.
Big up Jacquier.
When them come for you, on the gun line, on the front line. Read the sign, don't cross police line.
Don't cross police line, bitch.
On the gun line, on the front line.
Big up Jacquier from Mickey Mouse.
Read the line, don't cross the police line.
Don't forget to take your blood sugar test.
Sign of the time, commit another crime. Signs of the time, commit another crime.
Long leg.
But boys, you know what to do. When they come for you, but boys, you know what to do. When them come for you, walk the walk, talk the talk.
Yes, bitch.
We are real good boy, bad boy boss, bad boy walk. Your body circle in a white chalk. Chronic, you a fool. Chronic, you a fool. Me nah sell me gun now.
Bad boy walk, bad boy talk. Body surrounded in a white chalk. You know, on the ground. Your body surrounded by what? White chalk. Chronic, you a fool. Me nah sell me gun and go buy no food.
Signs of the time, commit another crime.
Not Jacquier, not Jacquier.
Bad boys, you know what to do.
Attempt murder.
When they come for you, bad boys, you know what to do. When them come for you, walk the walk, talk the talk.
Jacquier, you're a railroad boy.
Railroad boy, bad boy boss, bad boy walk. Your body circle in a white chalk.
Lucky Pappa.
Chronic, you a fool. Chronic, you a fool. Me nah sell me gun and go buy no food. 22 gun salute. Ready to shoot. Bad boy, bad boy. Bad boy. When they come for
Woo! My
you,
pussy
know
hurt.
what to do.
Listen to this motherfucker here.
When them come for you, live with me gun, die with me gun, dead with me gun, bury me with me gun, dead with me gun.
Live with me gun, die with me gun. Live with me gun, die with me gun. Bury me with my blood clot gun.
With me gun, with me gun. Shoot to kill, shoot me no miss. Ramp with the road boy, you get this.
Shoot to kill, shoot me no miss. Rampray the rule boy, you must get this. Ow! Don't mess with Jackie or you fucking idiot you. Now let me see if you got caught now. If you're a rude boy. If you're a rude boy, you're fucking informant. Yeah, you see a rude boy. I mean rude boy work out things. Motherfucker. Look at that, it's pay Jackie and fucking money. You work the motherfucker and you want to don't play Jackie and Jackie were pissed too because Jackie didn't get a full feet. Angry man's an angry man. And Jackie also asked for a plane ticket. I said, okay, give me the plane ticket then. So I can go to Jamaica. He wouldn't give Jackie the plane ticket to go to Jamaica. Because Jackie would keep the fucking money. Next time. I'm run off him, go fuck him more than talking shit. And then pull his fucking knife. And Jackie was, eh? And he fall in his own knife.
Shoot to kill, shoot me no miss. Ramp in the road, boy, you get this. Gun, shoot them for fun. Gun, shoot them for fun.
It's a new tune this Econ. In a bus set, the tune in a bus set. A VP them a bus this.
VP records again to Jacure. Brand new tune from me coming out, some VP records coming out soon. November 19th, my birthday. The instrument. Don't cross the police line, bitch. Woo! Signs of the time commit another crime. You hear that, Richie Stephens? I believe the lady. Ding! Yeah, rude boy.
Bad boy, boss, bad boy, boss.
You know.
Chronic, you up, chronic, you up.
Bad boy. Pussy. Yes, bitch. Ow! Rock pick Jacure. No rock pick Jacure. You will get. Yes, bitch.
Shoot them for fun.
Yeah, this one going out for Jacure. Right up here, Jacure. Free Jacure, free Jacure, free Jacure, motherfucker. Free Jacure. Other charges included attempt murder, attempt manslaughter, aggravated assault, or attempt aggravated assault. Read more. A lot of fucker, they want to give this motherfucker life sentence in prison. Pappa, we love you, but you fucked up. Can't go to court, motherfucker. Ding, ding. Long live Jackie, ding.